How to fix TikTok no internet connection error problem. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix TikTok no internet connection error. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First of all, open Play Store on your device. Make sure to log in or sign into your account. Tap search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap search bar at top of the screen and type in TikTok. Open it. Make sure to install the updated version of TikTok app. If there is an updates button, tap on it to update it to the latest version. Once done, exit from Play Store. Open Settings. Scroll down. Open Apps. Select App Management. Tap search bar and type in TikTok. Open it. Now, once the app info section of TikTok opens, tap Storage Uses, tap Clear Cache, and Clear Data. Tap Delete. Though this step might be simple, but this will help us to fix different kinds of bugs and glitches appeared on the app. Come back. Now tap Battery Uses, and then tap Force Stop to force stop the app. Once done, try connecting to the internet connection. Make sure there is stable internet connection on your device. If your Wi-Fi is not working well, try switching to mobile data. And once you do that, your error will be fixed. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, then hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends.